I am Dr. P. C. Das, Senior Consultant in Medicine and Geriatrics. Today I want to talk about the problems of snoring. Do you or someone you know snore at night? You are definitely not alone. Over half of men snore. Nearly half of women snore. But what actually causes all that noise? When should you start to worry? Let's break it down. Snoring happens when air can move easily through your nose and throat while you sleep. This makes the tissues in your airway vibrate, creating that all too familiar snoring sound. It's not just annoying for your partner, it can be a sign of something bigger. So, what are the main causes? Carrying extra weight, especially around your neck, can make your airway narrower. Drinking alcohol before bed relaxes throat muscles. Taking sedatives before bed relaxes throat muscles. Nasal congestion can block airflow. A deviated septum can block airflow. Sleeping on your back? Your tongue and soft tissues can fall back and block the airway. As we get older, throat muscles relax more, increasing risk. Usually it's a mix of these factors. Now occasional snoring isn't usually a big deal. But if you snore loudly and often, it could be a red flag for obstructive sleep apnea. That's when your breathing stops and starts during sleep. It can leave you feeling wiped out during the day, and it raises your risk for high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke. Not exactly things you want to ignore. So, when should you see a doctor? If your snoring is super loud, happens most nights, or is paired with choking, gasping, or waking up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, it's time to get checked out. Early action can help you avoid bigger problems down the road. Here's the bottom line. Good sleep is crucial for your health. Don't ignore loud or persistent snoring. Addressing it can make a huge difference for your sleep and overall well-being. If you're concerned, talk to your healthcare provider. And remember, better sleep starts with understanding what's really going on at night. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Varista Seva, for more informative videos.